As a person, I always believe the greatest success in life are yet to come. And I'm positive that I'm here to achieve a lot more and learn more as a GVSU student. But talking about the greatest success so far, I think obtaining a graduate assistantship is one of my proudest things, since right from my first semester, I have always dreamt of assisting my professor. And when I recently secured the position, that was like my happiest moment. I was like, hooray, I achieved this. Hi, I'm Pramika, majoring in health informatics and bioinformatics, and currently this is my second semester at GVSU. And the fun fact about me is I recently put a 3000 puzzle together, and jigsaw puzzles are always fun. I'm currently working for my own department, which is health informatics, and I believe the best source to secure a position of graduate assistantship is Handshake. And recently I assist my professor in the research work, and I also assist in setting up the lab work where we work with different softwares, which is also a part of my major, so I get to work on the different coding languages as well, which enables me to get more of practical knowledge, which is of must currently. So being associated with research work is like, I got to know like how a background work works in research, and asking my professor questions in turn is helping me to understand and shape my career. Initially when I started adapted to the academic system here, COVID happened and virtual things came into place. I was never part of virtual study, so it was initially a bit tough to adapt to the virtual system, but slowly with good support of faculty and professors and the curriculum we try to follow, it really helped me, and I'm all good with the virtual system currently, and I'm happy about it that I'm part of the system. And I think with the COVID thing, we had to adapt with the system, and there's no much of choice. I want to be a data analyst, and that's the reason I have chosen health informatics, and I'm so confident of my decision of choosing health informatics after started studying at GVSU. And I also had an issue with the climate, since the place I come was a very humid place. Struggling to survive in cold and all, it was really tough in the beginning, but I love snow. I would suggest them to be open to the challenges, start exploring, be ready to learn everything which comes your way, pick up the opportunities, and try to become the best version of yourself is what I would recommend everyone who's looking to take a part of GVSU. And I think GVSU provides you with all the opportunities, and it's your take, like how do you mold yourself with the opportunities given to you.